What's good, yo? Welcome back to another vlog. Tonight we got a little special video going on. We are going ghost hunting. Ain't that right, Quid?
Who you gonna call?
I go, Buster. You got a vacuum? We see anything up there, bro. We sucking them bitches in. We're going on a late night toge run. It's currently like 11 o'clock right now. The toge road should be a little more clear, as in nobody's there, but less clear as in visibility. That's why I got the, oh, hold on. I got that thing with me. Freeze! Damn, what you got, bro? What you got? Oh, bro, iPhone. But that's a crime, bro. Your short's too short. We got the lube, as always, because I'm not going to freaking toge the 240. And we got the TSX, because apparently Chris said the EM1, the Civic, you can't see shit out of it. You got some yellow ass bulbs.
I can't hear.
Oh, you can get LEDs?
Yeah, stock HID phone.
Oh, stock? Okay. Oh, this is a new car. That's why. This is a family car. That's why.
Yeah, grocery getter.
Yeah, you trying to track a grocery getter. Hey, but to be honest, at night, the car looks better.
Yeah, you can't see the 50 Shades of White.
Chill, just the door. Yeah, it looks better at night. Guess who we're here?
We got time.
You ready, bro?
Yes, sir.
You got the work shirt on, everything. Getting fresh out of work.
Fresh
Hey, bro, need your opinion. So I got a new barber, right? So my barber Latino. He gave me the Edgar or not? He gave me the Edgar? That's Edgar, right? Damn, I need some gels. Yeah, you weak, bro. I got you on video.
Cut.
Oh, cut. He couldn't open the oil cap. Miguel, he need help. Believe in ghosts?
Yeah, bro.
All right, we gotta be cool then. You got a vacuum in your car?
Hold on, I got a call. It's good.
Hey. You got the oil cap off? Good.
Bro, don't let them know that.
You don't see that, but I'll put that shit on there. All right, Miguel, real quick. You believe in ghosts?
Yeah, bro.
You know they got some up there, right? Apparently there's like a woman in white.
Yeah, I heard that one.
You heard that one?
Yeah, I heard that one.
I don't know about you, but I'm a...
Which house?
The witch house? Wait, up there?
Y'all want to drive through there? It's
Hell
like,
no.
but it's going like Berkeley way.
No, I'm gonna go the other way then. Oh, witch house. Oh, cool. I ain't trying to bring that shit home. My mom gonna be hella mad. Yeah, like I said, if anything, but if I see a woman in white, that's a hit and run. I don't care. I'm gonna go right through her. Ready? Y'all ready? Yeah.
Who you gonna call?
I'm not even sure if you guys can really see right now, but we're just gonna have to find out. Oh, show late night toge. He put the high beams on for sure. I can't see shit. Oh, I just heard like a bat or something. Swear to God, it was I'm putting my window up. Hell, they're gonna jump in. Ooh, it was a Mitsubishi Eclipse. Cool. It is a little different at night, y'all. It is a little different. Going too fast though. Oh, if I see somebody in white, bruh, I'm smashing. Sex right there, cool. Woo. Can't see shit out these corners. crashed. The EG, no. Oh, EG just crashed. Dang. Yeah, that's why we gotta take it slow, y'all. Shoot. Oh, poor EG. Alright, let's take it slow. See, this tollgate stuff is fun, y'all, but gotta be cool, dangerous. Spot. We ain't stopping here today though.
I seen Miguel disappear. I was like, no.
Oh yeah, I was like, Miguel gone, bro. I was hella scared. Not the EG. I was like, we gotta be cool. That's why I can't see. You can't see shit, huh? From your point of view, can you see?
I can see.
Cause
I was trying to be cool.
I didn't see anybody though.
What?
In the car in the EG.
Really?
Could have been a Stolo.
Oh, you just dipped it? Oh, they were on the left side. There was people on the left.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't look at it? There's the cop and there's people on the
I
left.
was like, oh, it could have been Stolo.
Yeah, it could have been.
And like, oh, they found it and then they called it.
Damn, yeah. I was like, damn, the EG.
Yeah.
I didn't see your headlights for a minute, but I was like, oh, nah.
Me, bro.
No, I looked back. I was like, oh shit, I don't see no light no more.
You know,
Hey, what?
Calvin's car is actually the fastest because he doesn't have race tires. So his shit will warm up faster than ours.
I don't know if I was fast. I was just following you. Oh shit! Oh, you heard that shit? You didn't? Oh hell no! It was a snake. Oh hell no! That's like a little hiss. Alright y'all, so we are hitting a different road right now. Haven't been to this one yet. I think it's like Eden Canyon or something like that. I don't know if they got, you know, ghosts here or not, but we gonna see. This is a little more narrow, I think. It's so narrow. Bumper too low. Too low, y'all. Ooh. Oh hell no. That corner got me fucked up. The neighbor's probably pissed right now. Oh goddamn. I feel hella sorry for you if you got an Uber Eats in this neighborhood. You ain't gonna find a house. Oh, that's a nice ass gate though. Oh, my nose itch. Ah. Car right there, set was a person. I don't know where we're at, y'all. We're gonna end up in freaking Alabama. That one yeeted my ass. Woo! These corners are crazy, y'all. I think we're out, y'all. I think we're out. I think we made it out. That was cool. Ooh, no, y'all can see me right now, but let me get in front of the light. Can y'all see that GoPro imprint? Let me see. Ooh, look like I got freaking stamped, y'all. I got stamped to be freaking mailed out right now. This is the postage stamp. Hey, is it bad? My grill mark?
It looks like caution hot water.
Damn, you should've known mosquitoes, bro. We gonna get fucked up.
Some bite?
Some bite. It's parked. How you feeling, Miguel?
I need a bucket seat, bro.
You be sliding?
Bro, I feel like I need a whole ass.
You be sliding more than one way. Click the link below.
The last part for sure, it was like a slip and slide at a water park. At the end, that shit was going crazy. Oh, you cheating on your gas station, bro? This is Valero. This ain't no Chevron. I think we just got. Oh, I got hiccups. That's neat. I think I ate a bug on the way when I was togging. I think I ate a bug or something.
Some protein?
Huh?
Some protein?
Yeah, for sure, some protein. But I got hiccups. I think I ate some bug. Oh, it's not the end of the vlog yet. We found a little photo spot.
Some lie.
A little taqueria? What is it? Oh, it's Johnsburg. Never mind. It's the opposite. My hiccups are still there. Oh, this shit look wet right here. Damn, cinematic. Oh, that shit look clean. Talk about inflation, bro. Bottled water, $2.59. Oh, what is it, Disneyland? Wow, we hella cool. We them boys. Damn, we them boys, Miguel.
We was about to crash a car accident and take this picture, bro.
Huh?
We was about to cause a car accident just to take this picture.
They was hella far away. I don't know why they hung, bro. That was being extra. I was like, well, we already made it in, then they honked. Race cars?
Rice car.
Ah! We use some rice cars. I still got that stamp on my head. The black. Oh yeah, you can't see Miguel's black eye. Cool.
That shit got glaucoma.
You said what?
That shit got glaucoma, bro.
Glaucoma? Is that an eye disease? Oh heck no. I'm sorry, y'all got glaucoma. He was just playing.